Over 6 years ago, Bill Gates warned us, we are not ready for the next pandemic. And COVID-19 will not be the last one. But to develop new vaccines and drugs, we must understand, study, and analyze the biomolecules of life. And until today, over 95% of the drugs we use targets proteins in our bodies and are based on small molecules. But since the pandemic, we see a change. We are all part of a new era where we see the entire industry is moving towards nanomedicines, using the same technology that was introduced by BioNTech and Pfizer, where they deliver the mRNA directly into our bodies by packaging them into these lipid nanoparticles. And this new technology also see an expansion for cell therapies, gene therapies, and also personalized medicines, which shows a huge new potential, but it also comes with a lot of new challenges and questions, which shows an unclear, unmet need on the market, where the researcher and also the regulatory actors are actively looking for new technologies and standards. Envue Technologies develops a patent core technology called nanofluidic scattering microscopy. Using a cutting-edge combination of nanotechnology and light, we are at the forefront of pushing the limits and address these new questions. So by using a combination of a hardware instrument, nanofluidic chip, and a software, we enable more accurate and efficient nanoparticle characterization. And we provide a novel bioanalytical instrument to improve the insights all the way from early R&D preclinical phases towards clinical quality control. Because we want to be part of helping and enabling the next generations of nanomedicines. Thank you.
Thank you, Ella. So, quick question. In what way is your innovation disruptive?
So we have what's so-called label-free technology. And that means that we don't modify the non-objects we are looking at. So the traditional method, you have to label them because they're too small to look at with the conventional microscopy methods. So you put on a label, which modifies the objects.
All right, I see we have time for maybe one more question. How does your innovation relate to future pandemics?
So, as I mentioned, we see it as an enabling tool for the researcher and industry who develops new vaccines. So the earlier they get insights and more data, the faster the processes and the less risk for failure later on in the process.
Mm-hmm. Very interesting. All right. Well, I will go ahead and give space to the next presenter, but thank you so much, Ellen, for your presentation.
Thank you.